What's up, family? Welcome to yet another powerful video by your brother Emmanuel Destiny. As you can see by the title, we're talking about the GER30 Killzone. That's what we're going to be going into. This is basically an area and a place in the market where we identify liquidity that constantly takes place. And of course, me showing you this is going to give you a very good edge in the markets to take advantage of it, and not just to trade anytime, but to trade with assured liquidity in the markets. And I believe this is gonna bless you so much. So please, if this video gives you so much value, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because this is the kind of content that we do. We do smart money, we do news trading, we do fundamentals, as well as psychology and self-development. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. And of course, the next video after this would be about the Nasdaq and US30 Killzone. So if you want that information, this is the channel. So let's jump straight into this video right here, where we're gonna show you step by step. So make sure to listen attentively, family. Okay, so let's go through it. So as you can see on my chart right now, I do have GER30 open on the H1. One thing that I need you to do for me right now on your chart, we're going to be changing the settings a bit, right? So you're just going to press the right side of your mouse. Okay, there we go. Now press the right side of the mouse. I'm going to go a bit slower because we have different people watching this. Some people do need in-depth explanation. Some people getting straight to the point does it for them. Okay, so we cater for everyone. I want us to go to appearance over here. Okay, and where it says session breaks, I have already done it, so just tick it there and you can make the intensity even more. So just make it more visible that you can see. Okay, there we go, and you can say okay. Now it gives you this period separators, or what we call session breaks. Now, as you guys know, GER30, this is not like secret information. GER30 does move a lot within the London session, but not throughout the whole London session. There's a specific area that I want to bring your attention to every time when price action takes place. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way now to the 15 minutes. But this period sectors, what they basically do is that they keep your head in line. So these are your parameters. For example, like today the market just now started to move, and as you can see, this is the London session or the Frankfurt opening. So in fact it has not yet opened, but now liquidity has kicked in way before, and this is the attention that I want to bring to you. I'm going to talk about times. I'm going to mention them in South African time, which is GMT +2. Okay, so what you can do for me, pause the video, and of course pause it after I just speak right now. Pause the video afterwards, and you can just search what time does the London session open within your local time. So if you're watching from the States, you're watching from anywhere in Africa, Europe, or Australia, or Asia, anywhere, we have all of you guys watching this, which is so amazing, and it's by the grace of God that we're able to reach you. If you're watching from there, just research what time does it open. I do not know what time it opens in your local time. Just search it. Once you've done that, come back to this video. Now I want to say it in a South African time, 8 a.m. GMT +2. That's South African time right there. You want to watch how the market opens, and not just watch, but this is where you're going to be getting trades. So not just blindly so, but with smart money. If you don't know smart money, I've taught it. I've taught a free class, so go check out my playlist. So just go to the other channel, go to my channel, check out the playlist that I've done. It's a full course that I've done for you guys, breaking it down concept by concept, precept by precept, for you to understand exactly what I mean by smart money and how to trade it. Or you can use any style of trading that you're comfortable with. This strategy is just an edge that you take advantage of, right? So for example, like today right here, from the time of 8 a.m. we can see that there was injection of momentum that came into play, and I just want to show it as previous days. So now, by the time I'm recording this is Thursday. Look at here, this was Wednesday, and I just want to bring your attention all the way to when the injection of momentum came. So we can see all the way here, it was a bit delayed, but all the time when we master the London opening, or basically the London Open, which is 9 a.m. right now, in fact, because of daylight savings. So before daylight savings, it's supposed to be 8 a.m. Due to daylight savings, it's going to move to 9 a.m. Okay, so 9 a.m. we can definitely see from then on the market really fell all of those pips. Look at that. And this was liquidity, so you wouldn't held your trade more, well, just a few hours. So your assured liquidity that comes in, of course, you can reference to this previous price action, why this market actually dropped all the way. We can also see, in fact, as we go along, we can also see when this also kicks in. Okay, look at that. Every time 9 a.m. we can definitely see the market now starting to kick in to give us that liquidity. Okay, so I'm just gonna break it down for you. Every time 9 a.m. so you can come an hour later, or an hour earlier, to kind of look at that liquidity. Don't worry about the direction. Price action is king in the markets. So if there's gonna be the GER30, which happens every day, the GER30 opening bell, or the Frankfurt stock opening bell that is rang when it opens, definitely it does affect in terms of liquidity. Hence it also adds up to it being a very good kill zone for you, or a very good entry. For example, I'm just gonna go here, and as we can see, this was around the time when we can get that area. So the kill zone time frames that I want you to observe, it's gonna be from 9 a.m. all the way to 1 p.m. Okay, now it's 2 p.m. So 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Please hear me right. I'm gonna repeat it again. 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. South African time. That is gonna be the kill zone for this market right here. So I'm gonna mark it for you. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. So let's just look for 9 a.m. There we go. 9 a.m. all the way to 1 p.m. Let's look for it. Okay, of course it can also differ due to days. Liquidity can also differ, but just imagine if you could have entered sells right here, and as you can see, we had a pure eye that mitigated that, and the market sold all the way to that point. Doesn't mean that you have to close your trades at 1 p.m. You can close it at any time, but that is the time that I take liquidity, or I take advantage of liquidity. We can also see right here what I meant by 9 a.m. So we can definitely see 9 a.m. all the way, the market started to rally, and of course we did have this spike that stood as a nice supply over there. That's why the market, of course, started to sell. Okay, so good entries is gonna give you good entries. We're getting closer to the mentorship standard, but in the mentorship program, I do simplify this, and I do get straight to the point with so much detail within it, and so much, of course, it's quite secret to the public, but as my subscribers, I want to give you a portion of it, right? And of course, we are going all the way to 2 p.m. Sorry, there we go. And as you can see, this whole move here, look at that. All the way from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. we had liquidity just drop in, and the markets were absolutely beautiful. Even today, look at that. Even today, as you can see, from 9 a.m. the market shot all the way, and we're gonna be holding it all the way till 1 p.m. Let's go on. Okay. And of course, it does differ according to market conditions. If we have ranging markets, I wouldn't advise you to be trading this, because you're only going to be going from one support to one resistance, or just liquidity being taken over there. But even then, it still works. If we go 9 a.m., that was the time right there. Okay, there was this candle right here that spiked. And of course, we can go all the way to about 1 p.m. There we go. 1 p.m. somewhere here. Look at that. And we can definitely see the market did shoot all the way down, providing you the utmost beautiful entries ever. This also does work on pound USD. I'm not going to zero in much on that because I'm an indexes trader, and we know that indexes do pay a lot of money. Most people ask me, which broker can we trade with? There's a link in the description box. We trade with Vintage Markets. They're quite good. They're an ECN raw spread broker, so you're gonna get the best spreads ever when trading this, especially because you're gonna be using this as an intraday strategy. That means that you want the best spreads out there. And of course, if you want more clarification, the mentorship is there. Okay, I'm mentioning everything that needs to be mentioned, and I'm leaving everything that I don't want to mention because it's going to be part of the mentorship. Okay, again, 9 a.m. let's mark it. So it opens right there, but of course it cannot be your exact entry sometimes. But as you can see, the market did spike into that supply over there. The market started to rally all the way up, and if we can mark again 2 p.m. we can see that could have been your exit. Okay, 2 p.m. is the mark of the New York session, so you want to get out just before they overlap. So as you can see, buys were beautiful, sells were beautiful because of that injection of liquidity, because this is a time where Killzone takes place. Look at this, absolutely beautiful again. Some people say, but oh no, you backtesting. I've already taught smart money, so why would I spend the whole video explaining smart money within a concept? This is a concept away from smart money. This is just times where we spot injection of momentum. Again, 9 a.m. over here, and we can exactly see what happened here. We had a supply that actually did hit this market, as you can see. So if we can just take that, of course this would be refined, okay, unless you want to take the whole candle right there. So but that was gonna be a demand level. The market hit that, and the market started to rally all the way up. If we go again to 1 p.m. 2 p.m. let's go, you can see this was a beautiful move that the market gave us all the way there. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now I need you to listen to me very much attentively. You wanna, of course, establish a style of trading. If you don't have any style of trading, I did emphasize we do have a free course within our YouTube channel. Just go to the playlist site with the new trading. We have smart money. So go and click on the smart money, watch every video, listen attentively. If you're a total beginner watching this video, we also have a beginner's class where we break down the terminologies for you. So we want to lay it out for you. From then on, you can go to smart money. From then on, you can watch some of the strategies that I've laid out on this YouTube channel. If you have not made money with that yet, then you can now go into our mentorship course, because you've seen the value. You've seen the strategies work so much. You've seen I give you so much value. Now think about how much value you will actually get within our mentorship. And of course, why am I emphasizing too much on our mentorship? Because we are doing a special. Everybody's doing special, we're joining the party. So most of you guys, you wanted to join us. We have 30% off our advanced trading course. Okay, our advanced trading course. This includes trading psychology, technical analysis through smart money concept, and of course news trading and fundamentals, and of course a nature of approach. Why do I talk about the nature of approach? A lot of times we teach concepts, but we don't teach you how to approach them, how to build up a nature and a behavior to approach the market. So I go deeper into that within the course. We do have a Discord group available where you meet all types of traders from all over the world. So if you're interested, you can click the link in the description of the video, or you can just also click that link, and of course at the bottom of the website we do have our phone numbers. You can just contact our admin. She will give you the link to, the coupon discount to the course, or she will just help you to enroll with us. Join before it's too late. The special does end at the end of November. as we're going to be closing for the year. But I believe many of you are going to be blessed by this course. We have a lot of testimonies as well that you can check them out on the website, a lot of reviews from previous students. Anyway, we've reached the end of this video, and of course, if you've been blessed by it, make sure to leave a subscribe so that you can be part of the family, and also like. And of course, we do have a member fan membership for everybody that's watching this. So there's a join button right there. It's only 20 Rand per month, which is equivalent to $1.50, right? $1.50 for you to just support this channel. Maybe we can get the best editors out there, or anything else that will further this channel. Or even if you can join the 80 Rand per month, which is equivalent to about $3.50. So definitely, if you want to support this channel, take it to the next level, you love the content we do, you want to see more consistency, I believe with the right editor, I can just focus on producing content, and the content is delivered to you with the utmost quality. Thank you so much.